In a candid revelation that has sent ripples through the entertainment and legal worlds, Kim Kardashian has articulated a profound shift in her career trajectory, one that sees her stepping away from the glittering facade of influencer stardom toward the rigorous arena of trial lawyering. During a high-profile appearance on a late-night talk show, the multifaceted entrepreneur, actress, and mother laid bare her aspirations with uncharacteristic vulnerability. At 45 years old, Kardashian, who has built an empire on the pillars of social media savvy, reality television, and beauty empires, confessed her desire to redefine herself not as the ubiquitous Kim K, but as a formidable presence in the courtroom. "I will be qualified in 2 weeks," she declared with a mix of excitement and resolve. "I hope to practice law. Maybe in 10 years I think I'll give up being Kim K and be a trial lawyer. That's what I really want." This announcement is more than a mere career pivot. It represents a culmination of years of dedication, sacrifice, and intellectual rigor. Kardashian's journey into the legal field began in earnest about 6 years ago, when she embarked on an unconventional apprenticeship program that circumvented the traditional law school route. This path, often grueling and underappreciated, required her to study tirelessly under the guidance of seasoned attorneys, poring over case law, constitutional principles, and procedural intricacies late into the night, often while juggling the demands of raising 4 young children and managing a sprawling business portfolio. The apprenticeship was no shortcut. It demanded a level of discipline that tested her mettle, culminating in her triumphant passage of the baby bar exam on her 4th attempt in late 2021. That milestone was a personal victory, a testament to her resilience against skeptics who dismissed her pursuit as a publicity stunt. Now, as she stands on the precipice of full qualification, Kardashian faces the formidable California bar exam, widely regarded as the nation's most challenging. Administered over 2 exhaustive days in July, the test encompassed 200 multiple-choice questions, 5 essay prompts, and a 90-minute performance evaluation, each designed to probe not just rote knowledge but the application of legal reasoning under pressure. Results are slated to be revealed in early November, a moment Kardashian has described as both nerve-wracking and exhilarating. "It's the hardest in the nation," she has noted in past interviews, acknowledging the low pass rates that claim many aspiring attorneys. Yet, her determination remains unshaken, fueled by a deep-seated motivation rooted in legacy and justice. At the heart of this legal odyssey lies a profound filial piety. Kardashian is treading a path blazed by her late father, Robert Kardashian, a storied defense attorney whose career etched indelible marks on American legal history. Robert's most notorious involvement came during the 1995 O.J. Simpson murder trial, where he served as a key member of the Dream Team defense, navigating the media frenzy and courtroom theatrics with a blend of strategic acumen and unflinching loyalty. His sudden passing in 2003 from esophageal cancer at age 59 left an irreplaceable void, but it also ignited a spark in his daughter, a desire to honor his memory by wielding the gavel in service of the underserved. "He was my hero," Kim has often reflected, crediting his example for instilling in her a passion for advocacy that transcends celebrity. This familial thread weaves through her personal narrative as well. Kardashian's mother, Kris Jenner, a mastermind of the family's media dynasty, remarried after Robert's death to the then Olympian Bruce Jenner, whose later transition to Caitlyn Jenner in 2015 became a pivotal chapter in the Kardashian-Jenner saga. Kim has openly credited this transformative event with sustaining the longevity of their reality television franchise, which spanned an astonishing 20 seasons. On the talk show, she quipped about the serendipity of it all. "We shot the pilot and had no idea what it would turn into, but 20 years on it is still going. The shows write themselves. Once, when we wondered what might happen next, my stepdad turned into a woman and there were 2 more seasons right there." This blend of humor and honesty underscores the chaotic, camera-ready authenticity that has defined the family's public persona. Yet, beneath the glamour lies the reality of single motherhood. Kardashian shares 4 children, North 11, Saint 9, Chicago 6, and Psalm 5, with her ex-husband, the artist formerly known as Kanye West, now Ye. Balancing the whims of young lives with the intellectual demands of legal study has been a Herculean task. Mornings might begin with school drop-offs and homework battles, afternoons dissolve into business meetings for her SKIMS shapewear line or KKW beauty ventures, and evenings surrender to flashcards and mock trials. "It's a juggle," she admitted during the interview, her eyes lighting up with the quiet pride of a woman who refuses to choose between ambition and family. Her children, she says, are her anchors, reminding her daily of the stakes in her pursuit of justice, ensuring a world where empathy and equity prevail. Kardashian's foray into acting adds another layer to this reinvention. Promoting her debut in the Disney Plus series All's Fair, she arrived on the talk show set in a provocative latex mini dress that clung to her curves like a second skin, turning heads and sparking whispers. The series cast her as Allura Grant, a high-powered attorney who, after a betrayal by her gold-digging husband, assembles a cadre of fierce female lawyers to launch their own firm and exact revenge. The role is tailor-made for Kardashian's public image, a blend of vulnerability and vengeance, brains and beauty. Guest stars abound: Brooke Shields as a glamorous client, Elizabeth Berkley navigating corporate intrigue, Jennifer Jason Leigh unraveling mysteries, and Judith Light dispensing wisdom, creating an ensemble that Kardashian described as summer camp. "Working with a cast like this, I wanted to make sure I was completely prepared," she shared. "What I could control was absolutely knowing my lines, being on time, and being super professional. These women are the greatest at what they do, and I just watched and learned every day. It was an honor, and I have just had the best time." This preparation ethic mirrors her legal grind, where every detail counts. On set, she immersed herself in the characters' psyches, channeling the betrayal and empowerment that echo her own life's pivots, from Paris robbery survivor to prison reform advocate. Her involvement in criminal justice reform, sparked by meeting Alice Marie Johnson during a White House visit, has already borne fruit. Johnson's commutation in 2018 was a win Kardashian championed tirelessly. As a trial lawyer, she envisioned specializing in such cases, using her platform to spotlight injustices that traditional systems overlook.